Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do masking in CapCut. So here I've already imported two clips to CapCut, the one in the main track and the one in as the overlay, like this. And here to do the masking, you can just click on the video that you want to mask. For example, I want to do the masking with the overlay, and then just find the mask option at the bottom. Okay, this one, and then here there are lots of options that you can choose. For example, I want to use the split masking, so it'll go like this, and you can also drag the arrow down to make it like have some fade effect on it. And you can also rotate the masking like this, so by dragging the pinching and also dragging the line, you can rotate your masking like this. For example, I wanna adjust the masking like so, then you can also add some fade effect like this, and then when you're done, you can just click on a check icon on it. You can also do the invert like that, and after that click on a check icon, and now the result will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video and comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.